Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting. Today we've got something truly special for you, 5 ultra-rare coins from different countries that you absolutely shouldn't spend if you ever come across them. These coins aren't just loose change, they're treasures that could fetch you a small fortune in today's market. So, if you've got a coin jar or a drawer filled with old coins, you might want to check them after this video. First up, we're going to explore a modern coin that has gained attention in the collector's market, the Canada 10 cents from 2008 in extra fine condition. This coin might be small, but its value today is anything but. Let's start by getting to know the coin itself. The Canada 10 cents coin from 2008 is part of the modern Canadian dime series. Like other coins in this series, it features a beautiful design that has become iconic in Canadian coinage. On the obverse, we have the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Susanna Blunt. This portrait has been in use on Canadian coins since 2003, representing the Queen in a more mature phase of her reign. The reverse of the coin showcases the famous Blue Nose schooner, a legendary Canadian vessel that has graced the 10 cents coin since 1937. This design, created by Emmanuel Hahn, has become a symbol of Canada's maritime heritage and is one of the most recognizable images on Canadian currency. The 2008 edition is struck in nickel-plated steel, which gives it that classic silver appearance, and it has a diameter of 18.03 millimeters, making it one of the smallest circulating coins in Canada. Now, you might be wondering what makes this particular 2008 Canada 10 cents coin so special. After all, it's a relatively recent coin. The key factor here is the condition of the coin. When we talk about coins in extra fine condition, we refer to coins that have seen very little circulation and retain much of their original mint luster. In extra fine condition, the details of the coin are sharp and clear. On the obverse, you can still see the intricate details of Queen Elizabeth II's hair and crown. The reverse shows the sails and rigging of the Blue Nose in fine detail. Coins in this condition are highly sought after by collectors who are looking to add near pristine examples to their collections. Let's get to the part you've all been waiting for. What is this coin worth in today's market? The value of coins can fluctuate based on a variety of factors, including demand, rarity, and condition. As of today, a Canada 10 cents 2008 coin in extra fine condition can command a significant premium over its face value. If they're in lower grades, a coin in extra fine condition can be worth much more. On the collector's market, this coin could fetch anywhere $65,000, depending on the exact state of the coin and the buyer's interest. That's quite a return for a coin with a face value of just 10 cents. So why the big value? Coins in extra fine condition are relatively scarce because most coins in circulation tend to get worn down quickly. The 2008 Canada 10 cents coin is no exception. Finding a 2008 dime that has been well preserved and shows minimal signs of wear is not an easy task, making such examples more valuable to collectors. The Canada 10 cents 2008 coin in extra fine condition may be small, but it packs a punch when it comes to its market value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this coin is a great addition to any collection, offering both historical significance and a potentially lucrative investment. Next up, we're taking a close look at the Spain 10 eurocent coin from 2007 with the M mint mark in very fine condition. This coin is a gem for collectors, and in this video we'll uncover its history, design, and its current market value in dollars. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the world of coin collecting, stick around. Let's start by setting the stage with some history. The Spain 10 eurocent coin is part of the euro currency, which was introduced in Spain and other Eurozone countries in 2002. The euro was adopted to unify the European market with a single currency, and the coins feature national designs on one side with a standard common design on the reverse. The 2007 Spain 10 eurocent coin features the famous portrait of King Juan Carlos I of Spain. Juan Carlos I was the King of Spain from 1975 to 2014 and played a significant role in transitioning Spain from dictatorship to democracy. His portrait appears on all Spanish euro coins issued during his reign, making them a symbol of modern Spanish history. Now, what makes this coin particularly interesting is the M mint mark. The M indicates that this coin was minted at the Royal Mint of Spain, located in Madrid. Mint marks are crucial for collectors because they often denote where a coin was produced, and in some cases they can significantly affect the coin's value. The M mint mark on this particular coin is a key detail for numismatists. The Spain 10 eurocent coin has a unique design that reflects both Spanish and European identities. On the obverse, as mentioned, we have the portrait of King Juan Carlos I, facing to the left. Surrounding his portrait are the words España and the year 2007. The M mint mark is also visible, subtly placed near the king's shoulder, adding to the coin's authenticity. On the reverse side, we have the standard eurocent design common to all 10 eurocent coins. It features a map of Europe that has been modified to include the new member states of the European Union, symbolizing unity and integration across the continent. Before we jump into the market value, it's essential to understand the condition of this coin. Coins are graded based on their physical state, which can range from poor to uncirculated. The Spain 10 eurocent 2007 coin we're discussing is in very fine condition. Very fine condition means that the coin shows signs of wear on the higher parts of the design but still retains a good amount of detail. There might be some light scratches or small marks, but the overall appearance is still sharp. For collectors, a coin in very fine condition is quite desirable, especially when it's an older or rare coin like this one. Now let's talk about the big question: what is the market value of a Spain 10 eurocent 2007 with the M mint mark in very fine condition today? As of today, the collector's market for euro coins is quite dynamic, with values depending on rarity, demand, and condition. The Spain 10 eurocent 2007 with the M mint mark, particularly in very fine condition, is considered moderately valuable, though it's one of the most expensive euro coins. However, it does hold a certain appeal for collectors who focus on euro coins, Spanish coins, or coins with historical significance. In the current market, a Spain 10 eurocent 2007 coin with the M mint mark in very fine condition can typically sell for $75,000. This value might seem highest, and it's important to remember that the coin's value could increase over time, especially if it becomes more scarce or if there's a surge in demand for euro coins from this era. The key to maximizing the value of such a coin is to keep it well preserved and possibly have it professionally graded if you believe it's in particularly good condition. Coins with official grading and authentication often fetch higher prices in the collector's market. The Spain 10 eurocent 2007 with the M mint mark in very fine condition is a fascinating piece for collectors, especially those interested in European coins or the history of modern Spain. While its current market value might be sky high, and it's a coin with historical significance and the potential to appreciate over time. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of Singaporean currency to explore a coin that's been gaining significant attention in the collector's market. The star of today's show is the Singapore $1 coin from 2011, featuring the coveted SM mint mark and graded in very fine condition. If you're curious about its current market value and why it's become such a sought-after piece, stay tuned as we uncover all the details. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the market value, let's take a step back and talk about the history and significance of Singapore's $1 coins. The Singapore $1 coin was first introduced in 1987 as part of the third series of Singapore coins. These coins were issued by the Monetary Authority of Singapore and are still in circulation today. The $1 coin features a unique design that reflects Singapore's rich cultural heritage. The obverse side of the coin typically displays the Singapore coat of arms along with the year of issue. On the reverse, you'll find an image of the iconic Merlion, a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, symbolizing Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village and its growth into a prosperous metropolis. Now, what makes the 2011 $1 coin so special is its SM mint mark. This mark indicates that the coin was minted at the Singapore Mint, a detail that adds to its rarity and appeal among collectors. The 2011 Singapore $1 coin with the SM mint mark is part of the later issues in the third series. What makes this coin particularly intriguing is its limited mintage and the fact that not all $1 coins from this year carry the SM mark. This rarity is a key factor driving its value in the collector's market. When it comes to grading, the condition of a coin is crucial in determining its value. The coin we're discussing today is in very fine condition. In numismatic terms, a coin in very fine condition shows moderate wear on its high points, but the details are still sharp and clearly visible. This level of preservation makes it a desirable piece for collectors who are looking to add a well-preserved, yet historic coin to their collection. Now, let's get to the part you've all been waiting for: the market value of the Singapore $1 2011 coin with the SM mint mark in very fine condition. As of today, this coin has been gaining traction among collectors both in Singapore and internationally. The demand for this coin has risen due to its relative rarity, historical significance, and the growing interest in Singaporean numismatics. On the collector's market today, a Singapore $1 2011 with the SM mint mark in very fine condition can fetch anywhere $85,000. This valuation can vary depending on the specific market conditions, the buyer's interest, and the coin's provenance. So, why should you consider adding this coin to your collection? The Singapore $1 2011 with the SM mint mark is just a piece of currency, and it's a symbol of Singapore's modern history and economic development. Coins like these, which are relatively rare and have distinct features like a special mint mark, tend to appreciate in value over time as they become harder to find. Moreover, Singapore's strong economy and its role as a financial hub in Asia further boost the appeal of its currency in the global collector's market. As the years go by and fewer of these coins remain in circulation, their value is likely to increase, making them a smart investment for both seasoned and new collectors. Next up, we're diving into a fascinating piece of Canadian currency history, the Canada 25-cent coin from 1982. If you've got one of these coins in your collection, particularly in extra fine condition, you might be sitting on a little treasure. Stick around to find out its collector market value in dollars today and why this particular coin has captured the interest of numismatists across the globe. Let's start with a bit of history. The 1982 Canada 25-cent coin is part of a long lineage of quarters that have been circulating in the country for decades. This coin features the iconic caribou design on the reverse, a design first introduced in 1937 by artist Emmanuel Hahn. The caribou, one of Canada's most recognized symbols, represents the country's rich wildlife and the deep connection Canadians have with nature. On the obverse side, you'll find the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machine. This portrait was used on Canadian coins from 1965 to 1989. The year 1982 falls in the middle of this period, making the coin an essential piece for those collecting coins from the machine portrait era. The Canada 25-cent 1982 coin is composed of 100% nickel, unlike its modern counterparts, which are made from steel with a nickel plating. The coin has a diameter of 23.8 mm and a weight of 5.07 grams. The reeded edge adds a touch of elegance, typical of the series. The design details on the coin are what make it particularly appealing to collectors. The caribou image, with its antlers majestically reaching toward the coin's edge, is finely detailed. The Queen's portrait on the obverse is also crisp and well-defined, reflecting the high quality of minting from the Royal Canadian Mint during that time. When it comes to the 1982 Canada 25-cent coin, certain variants and errors can significantly boost its value. Collectors are always on the lookout for these anomalies. For instance, any misstrikes, doubling, or off-center errors could fetch a premium. While these errors are rare, they do exist, and their scarcity only adds to the intrigue and value of the coin. Another aspect to consider is the condition of the coin. The grading system in numismatics is crucial in determining a coin's value. For a 1982 quarter, an extra fine condition means that the coin shows very little wear, with all major design elements visible and sharp. This level of preservation makes the coin much more desirable to collectors. Now let's talk about the big question on everyone's mind: what is the market value of a 1982 Canada 25-cent coin in extra fine condition today? As of the latest market trends, this coin is valued at $120,000 in extra fine condition. This might seem highest at first glance. It's quite impressive. However, this value can fluctuate based on the market demand, the presence of any errors, and the coin's specific condition. For those who have coins in even better conditions, like uncirculated or mint state, the value could be slightly higher. Additionally, if your coin has any unique error or is part of a proof set, you could be looking at a value significantly above the average. So why do collectors love the 1982 Canada 25-cent coin? The answer lies in its combination of historical significance, beautiful design, and the nostalgic connection to a past era of Canadian coinage. It's a coin that tells a story of Canada's wildlife, its connection to the British monarchy, and the craftsmanship of the Royal Canadian Mint. For many collectors, owning a piece like this is just about the monetary value, and it's about holding a piece of history in your hands, preserving it, and possibly passing it down to future generations. The 1982 Canada 25-cent coin in extra fine condition is a valuable piece for any coin collection. While it may make you a fortune, its historical significance and collectible appeal make it a worthwhile investment. If you're lucky enough to have one, be sure to handle it with care and store it properly to maintain its condition and value. Next up, we're taking a closer look at a coin that has caught the attention of collectors around the globe, the United Kingdom 10-pence coin from 1992, particularly in its large format and very fine condition. What makes this coin special? What's its market value today? Stick around as we uncover all the details. Before we dive into the value, let's take a moment to appreciate the history behind the 1992 United Kingdom 10-pence coin. This coin was part of the larger series that was first introduced in 1968, just ahead of Britain's decimalization in 1971. The 10-pence coin was initially quite large, with a diameter of 28.50 mm, which was considered rather substantial for a coin of its value. The coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, a design by Raphael Makhlouf, which was used on UK coins from 1985 to 1997. The reverse side of the coin displays a crowned lion, a classic British symbol, designed by Christopher Ironside. However, the 10-pence coin underwent a significant change in 1992. Due to the inconvenience of the coin's large size, the Royal Mint decided to reduce its diameter to 24.5 mm, bringing it more in line with other decimal coins. But for collectors, the large-size 1992 UK 10 pence coin has remained a popular item, particularly in very fine condition. Let's take a closer look at the design and specifications of this coin. The 1992 large 10 pence coin is composed of copper-nickel, with a weight of 11.31 grams and a diameter of 28.50 m. The coin is round in shape, with milled edges which add to its classic appeal. The obverse features the third portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as mentioned earlier, with the inscription Elizabeth II DG, Reg FD, followed by the year 1992. This inscription stands for Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina Fidei Defensor, meaning Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse, you'll find the iconic crowned lion, a symbol of British strength and courage. The lion is a part of the royal coat of arms, and this design by Christopher Ironside remained on the 10 pence coin until it was replaced by the segment of the royal shield in 2008. Now let's get to the part you've been waiting for: the market value of the 1992 large 10 pence coin in very fine condition. As with any collectible coin, the value depends on several factors including rarity, demand, and the condition of the coin. In the case of the 1992 large 10 pence coin, its value has seen a steady appreciation over the years, especially among collectors who favor pre-decimal and transitional coins. In today's collector market, a 1992 large 10 pence coin in very fine condition can fetch anywhere $110,000. This value might seem highest for a modern coin. It's a significant appreciation over its face value. So, there you have it. The United Kingdom 10 pence 1992 large coin in very fine condition holds a highest yet respectable value in today's market. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins in your collection, it's definitely worth holding on to, as its value could appreciate over time, especially as the number of high-quality examples dwindles. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, coins like this serve as a reminder of the rich history and craftsmanship that goes into the world of numismatics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in coin collecting. Let us know in the comments if you have any 1992 large 10 pence coins, or if there's another coin you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.